Do you want to understand real English conversations while talking about smartphones and social media?
Or maybe you want to speak English more naturally about apps, texting, YouTube, and daily online life.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about phones, social media, YouTube, texting, and online life.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So grab your phone, relax, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about smartphones, social media, YouTube, texting, and online life.
You'll hear simple English expressions people use every day online.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, how many hours do you use your phone every day?
Maybe too many. Paul, can you live without your phone for one day?
Honestly, probably not.
Same.
I use my phone for everything.
Me too.
What app do you use most?
Probably YouTube and messaging apps.
Same here.
Do you enjoy watching short videos?
Yes, sometimes too much.
Relatable.
One time I watched videos for 3 hours without noticing.
No way.
Seriously.
That happens to me too.
Do you text quickly?
Very quickly.
I type slowly.
Really?
Yes, my friends get impatient. One time, autocorrect changed my message completely.
Oh no.
It became very embarrassing.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous.
What about everyone listening? What app do you use most?
Tell us in the comments. Do you enjoy social media?
Sometimes.
What do you like about it?
I enjoy funny videos and travel photos.
Same.
But spending too much time online feels tiring.
Definitely.
Do you post photos often?
Not really.
Same, honestly.
One time I accidentally liked an old photo.
No way.
Yes, very embarrassing.
That's everyone's nightmare.
I wanted to disappear immediately.
Did the person notice?
Probably. Do you enjoy taking selfies?
Only sometimes.
One time, my friend took 50 selfies.
Seriously?
Yes, 50.
That's impressive.
Very impressive.
What about everyone listening? Do you enjoy social media?
Tell us in the comments.
What do you usually do online at night?
Watch YouTube, listen to music, or play games.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I usually watch cooking videos.
Do you cook after watching them?
Not really.
Same energy.
One time I watched a cleaning video at 2 a.m.
Did you clean your room?
No, I went to sleep. Do you enjoy online shopping?
Sometimes.
One time I bought something online.
And?
It looked completely different in real life.
Oh no.
Very disappointing.
Online shopping can be risky.
Definitely.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Honestly, yes.
Same.
Maybe too much.
Probably.
What about everyone listening? What do you usually do online?
Videos, games, music, shopping?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.